Meet that a bird to solve my machine. This one is the colorful tales of the pelican. What's this? This one is told me remember. You see this? Chapter 1 is the 3 gallons. Where is he? Apparently, this is this is the walk. No. Papa, only this is things are not. What is wrong? What's the leopards? Take it brings away. It is out of pelican statue. And whip it out of it on. Don't eat the color. Oh, no, it is. I don't know what it is. If we are hide and seek, what's at a turn in the same area? What? Huh? Radio? Let's see this. What? Why did they upside down? Because they are sudden movements. Look at yours. Look at yours. Follow me. I won't. Seriously? This is time to end my phone again. Are you ready, me? What isn't? Go away, sister. So, what's gonna happen? Oh no! There's a log in here! Where's my log? Where's my log? Oh no! What's going on here? What's going on here? I think so. Huh? Serious? Fitness? Business? It's kind of like a pelican. Let's go with a pelican. It's easy to watch it too. Breathe in, breathe out, with the was. It's too shy. I don't think the signs that they do it. The wonder signs that they're doing. I will pass you. Measurement set to the warm energy. Why is this an A? Oh my God! What's this? I think it's to shoot us on stranger. I think it's on the gummy. What? A seagull? I'm going on. It brings it right back. What's going to happen? Better moms than that bigger. I met this in a minute ago. What are they doing? She asked, Ollie, what are they doing? I want to see it. Look. There's a... Oh no! This tight leopard in the interstices. I think it's going to be a more. A bird. Oh my god! I wanted to... No. I want to turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Why you better do this?